Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure the bell notifications lit. I mean, Bitcoin is pumping, everybody. It's a pretty hot market. We got the overall market cap growing. I mean, we got a lot of projects in the green. The sentiment in the market's pretty bullish. I mean, there's almost everything we would ask for is right now happening right before our eyes. So let's go ahead and share this live stream. Let's get everybody to pull up. Let's grab this Moneybags Mansion link. Let's share it around. Also, check the link down below. I have, the link. I got you, bro. Hey, today I got you. Today's the day, man. We got a buy competition going out. So I'm sending all the winners got their prizes for their stuff today. So I'm doing a bunch of stuff basically today. But I got you today. Yeah, today's that day, man. Ready for a weekend bag? You're going to get it. Everybody pull up, man. Pull up. I mean, it's very important. We've seen Bitcoin pump. I'm not sure if you guys been watching that Bitcoin's conference, but just like it's making everybody else bullish, it's making me even more bullish back to back to back. And, we're seeing Bitcoin rally up to 69,000 right before everybody's eyes. Yeah, Big J, man, you're going to see it after this live stream, brother, man. I actually shot you an email. I've been waiting for you to contact me back on the email. So check your email, bro. Yeah, man, this is absolutely what we have been waiting for. And it has to do with, the Bitcoin conference has been going on. I mean, the more and more people, 70,000 people are watching this right now, just from this particular view right now, from this right here. So, there's a lot of people paying attention to this. I'm picking and choosing which ones I'm listening to. I'm listening to as much of it as I can. Obviously, there's a lot going on, but the one with Michael Saylor is probably my favorite, of course. You guys know that I rock really hard with Michael Saylor. He's the guy giving you that information that you need. Also, listening to Edward Snowden is very powerful. There are some very powerful speakers, but also the way that it started, right? The panel at first with right here when Vanek was talking about how much they owned. But the one with Edward Snowden was just as powerful as all the other ones, because it lets you know to remember that these people are coming in. These people are coming into the market now saying that they love what we are doing, when before they were not so much like that. So just remember where we come from. Remember that now they're starting to join where we're coming from. But just don't forget that not too long ago they weren't too happy about what we are doing. Everybody, what's up, Moon? Yeah, I see you guys got a space later on today. Call the Crow fam so I can show that as well. We're gonna show that like crazy. Make sure that you guys have a great turnout on your guys's turnout or your guys' space every week that you guys are having. I mean, it's very exciting to see you guys, building that up and getting everybody pumped up every single week. It's very important that we have some kind of, regular showing up and letting everybody know where we're at to some extent, right? We have the overall crypto market cap. I mean, the money's coming in. I love how they got this in this green, almost like they've been paying attention to our colors. Shout out to our teammate Marlon on XPX, because he kind of front run a little bit of this green going on right now. I even saw Canva where we make some of the thumbnails, even kind of using it with the purple and stuff. I was like, look at that. That's kind of cool and stuff. Because he has an eye that I honestly do not. We got, Bitcoin close to 69,000. I mean, we knew that these things were going to happen. I thought that it was honestly going to pump after the weekend. I'm going to be 100% with everybody, but we got some buy signals coming in. We got, okay, I see Myro pulling up. I see Crow with Knife pulling up. I know it's the weekend. Maybe you guys were partying yesterday. Maybe you guys got turned up and you guys are a little bit sleepy today, but man, Bitcoin's not sleepy. Bitcoin's holding it down for everybody right now. And there was like a little bit of the rest of the market lagging behind because, it's obviously because of the Bitcoin conference, but you're seeing a little bit more positive price action kind of across the board as well. You're seeing the money come in. That's why we also activated a buy competition. If you have some BNB laying around, we have a buy competition going on right now with XPX. Go check it out. And we also have a community competition as well. So nobody's being left out right now. We're going to, go with the trend. It's very important that we identify when the trend is hot, and we want to put our foot on the gas when the trend is hot. Call the Kendu army up right now. We're about to break all-time high. I don't know why there's not more Kendu people up in here right now. Good. Not coming soon. Tell them to come here right now, Pack. We're breaking all-time high, man. Man, you register your interest on the website. Oh, we'll do that. We'll have some fun, man. Call the wolf pack, man. Call everybody up. Why not have some fun, man? Life is short, too short not to have some fun. But we're having some parabolic movement. Let me grab this link myself. Let me practice what I preach. So let's have a great turnout, everybody. Let's get as many numbers. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people focusing on, what's going on with this event, which I can watch most of it, a lot of it. That's why the Edward Snowden one is very powerful to me, because I already knew this stuff, to be honest with you. Like, I like, when Michael Saylor's kind of breaking some strong details down, but everybody else coming in, okay, cool. Now you're doing what we've been doing. All right, cool. All right, all right, RFK. All right, everybody. That's cool. That's cool. But I've been in this market, everybody. I've been doing this, and I already knew that, this was going to continue to send. Like I said, we're not playing with your emotions on this channel. We're not saying this, then we're saying that. We're not saying that, then we're saying this. We already know. We knew before all of them. And honestly, I think they already knew. It was just them getting their boys into positions to make sure that they can get the best bang for their buck. Yeah. Kendu Army on the way. Call them up, man. I mean, the chart's looking so good. If you're listening to this over on X, make sure you guys also give me a follow on this. I want to break the 10K on this. It's very, very important that we just make these algorithms work for us. Whatever we have been doing on YouTube, you guys know that I like to complain sometimes with YouTube, and I gotta say, everybody, let's keep doing what we've been doing, because they have been sending me some stuff saying that we're doing good, giving us gold stars. So the comments that we've been going crazy about, the subscribers, we're almost at 16,200. We just broke past 16,000. So that's an extra 200 people that get to hear about XPX, get to hear about Crow and Knife, get to hear about Kendu. These are real numbers, everybody. These are not fluffed up numbers. If I wanted 100K subscribers tomorrow, I could do that. If I wanted 20K tomorrow, I could do that. These are real numbers, real people looking at your bags, and people who are actually warm leads. These are people that want to hear about crypto, everybody. So let's talk about the Bitcoin rainbow chart, everybody. We've been saying it way before all these politicians got in. We've been telling you guys way before some of the biggest YouTube channels, they're going to scare you some days. Someday, they love you that much that they want to play with you that much. That's why because of how much they love you, all these bigger channels, that's why they like playing with your feelings. They got to play with you somehow, because they love you. That's the only way they can play with you. So they want to scare you one time, then they don't want to scare you. I'm letting you know right now, if you're part of the Kendu Army, keep your helmets on. If you're part of XPX, let's keep grinding. Let's keep doing our things. XPX is not just an off-ramp, everybody. We know that there's off-ramps out there. We are also a merchant solution and Web3 marketplace, everybody. We're going to make sure that we're a cornerstone of all the transactions that happens up in this space. We are still very early, everybody. It's going to take us to just grind and stay serious. Do not get caught up in somebody saying 1 minute we got to be scared and 1 minute we don't got to be scared. These YouTubers are, playing with you right now. It's just main thing to do is focus on the community where we grow, we grab each other's arms, and we pull each other across the finish line, everybody. We pull each other across the finish line, everybody. Right now, if you guys are just tuning in, we have a buy competition for if there's any whales up in the space. Even if you're not a whale, you can participate in the buy competition. If you build it, they will come and start to apply the buying pressure. Even if it's a little bit BNB, all of it starts to stack up and create a little bit of FOMO, everybody. But we are right here on the left side of the chart looking absolutely amazing. I am going to be transparent with everybody. You guys know that I'm not going to fluff it up. We're not going to scare you. We're not going to say that you got to be terrified. What I'm saying, if you're trading futures, to be cautious, okay? Because I know we got a long position and Bitcoin is getting very pumpy right now. But remember that on the Williams percentage on the daily chart, we are in the overbought. Now, granted, we did get a long go long position, but I do want to highlight sometimes when these things are not always 100% accurate. I would be doing you guys injustice if I wasn't transparent with you guys and show you that sometimes there's a long position, but also set these candles up like this, everybody. Let me break this down to you guys really quick. If for the futures traders, for anybody trading, make sure you go to your candles and take it off of candles. Put it on Heikinashi, okay? The minute you see a red candle, especially if you're trading futures, you exit like you never met it before. You exit like if you never shook his hand, like you don't know anything about it. You don't know anything about it, okay? But you can see that on the daily chart, we did get along over here in the past. And the first red candle, I would have probably exited. I would have not waited for the exit long because I already know, a red candle on the daily chart, tells me that the rest of the time frames are going to also start to turn red somewhat, okay? But I want to show you guys that we are in the overbought section, kind of like what happened here. See this long position? See this long position over here? It came out long on the daily chart and then it turned around because I do suspect some form of still some consolidation. I know that we're very bullish right now, and it's going to keep kind of being bullish. We might, if we break past this, we might have to throw everything and just say throw it out the window. And now we got to wait till the dust settles to see exactly where we're at, right? Because if we break past the all-time high, it's going to create a lot of FOMO. The question is, do you think that Bitcoin can break its all-time high during these Bitcoin conferences? Now, that's where the willingness percentage and sometimes technicals don't matter because the environment is so pumped up. The sentiment is so bullish. You're having everybody come up and say, go Bitcoin. This is a lot different than all the other Bitcoin conferences, everybody. And you're seeing the effect of the difference of this Bitcoin conference on the chart right now, where, you know, we're technically in an overbought position, but we're still climbing, everybody. And I want to layer this chart up. I think Bitcoin might continue to pump during this whole Bitcoin conference. Kendu is string uptrend right now. We're going to bring Kendu up. We're going to bring Kendu up right away. I mean, you guys are going to be one of the first ones. We got to get into the triple digits, though. We got to, and it's not because I want to beg for triple digits. It's because more eyes and the algorithm automatically activates the minute we break into triple digits. If it was, you know, double digits, I wouldn't even bother. We're at 56. We're almost there. So we got to call everybody up, and it's been working, everybody. Our channel is starting to pick up traction. We're going to be at 17K really soon. Next thing you know, we're going to be at 20K, and that means what? From this day forward, extra 4,000 people looking at all our bags. It's very important that we make these algorithms work for us nonstop. Don't wait for the dev to do it. Don't wait for anybody else to do it. Make the X algorithm and the YouTube algorithm work for you guys. But we are almost there. We're less than 50 away, everybody. Less than 50 away. I'll refresh it one more time. MSI, pull up, man. Call MSI. I got something for MSI as well, man. I got something for everybody. I mean, when I say I don't leave everybody behind and this channel's for everybody, I'm not playing around, everybody. I got MSI right here. Call everybody up. Call the community. Call Crow with Knife. Call everybody up, okay? So this is very important. We got, you know, Monkey Inu on Gate.io. If you ever thought because of it was not going to get listed, well, there you go. This is a tier 1, everybody, and it is pumping. And it is pumping. Congrats on the 7K. We're not there yet. We're not on the 17K yet. We're at 16,000, almost 200 or something, but we're almost there. I know we're going to keep climbing. We've been grinding. We're kind of picking up a different pace on the channel with the grind. I'm not going to lie. And I want to say thank you because, you know, usually I'm kind of harsh with like YouTube and, you know, but there's something happening and I'm starting to see that, you know, our grind is actually starting to get a lot of traction, everybody. But let's start right here with Bitcoin. Let's work our way to the right on these tabs and we'll get there. Saitama's doing good. I mean, a lot of projects are doing good. A lot of projects are doing good. Everybody just needs to pull up, and we need to keep doing good, right? So on the daily chart, we're looking good. 4-hour chart, we're still looking really good. We broke past this. Remember, this was our resistance, and now we did this, come back down, and a continuation, which is very, very bullish, everybody. We still got a ways to go to activate the full-blown FOMO and the foaming of the mouth to happen. I want to see, this is a different time, everybody, right? We got president-elects. We got almost everybody. You know, you got Vanek. You got, I mean, BlackRock on the stage. You got everybody saying Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. So, you know, we're having something that's kind of, you can't chart it that perfect, everybody. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate the super chats, everybody. Man, that makes the algorithm respected as well. I know YouTube probably loves the super chats. They get a cut out of it as well. So, you know, they're probably like, yeah, let's promote this more. People are throwing super chats, so maybe more people will do it. You know how YouTube is, everybody. But, man, check this out, man. We're looking really, really good. If Bitcoin can make a support anywhere around the 67K, right, as we start to layer this chart right here where this was a prior resistance, and we can get this thing to become a future support, you know, even if it consolidated right here, and we can get this Williams percentage to maybe come down here, do some crazy dancing around, but come like that where eventually it starts to curl up. But on the chart, as far as candles, we did that motion somewhere in here. That would tell me that, you know, it's going to get bullish again, and it's going to start to pump up from this area. Basically, that's essentially is what could happen, everybody. That's not a guarantee. Don't take it to the bank and cash it out because this is not financial advice. Right now, we're having some magical moments happen in the space with, you know, this conference, the way that Bitcoin's looking. And remember, I'm bullish as ever on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to 1 million. Is actually, some people say 13 million. If you listen to Michael Saylor, they actually deleted the video. I'm not sure why. And then I started posting comments on all their other videos like, why did you guys delete the Michael Saylor clip? Why did you guys delete the Michael Saylor clip? Because that's one of the most powerful clips in that whole Bitcoin conference, everybody. That one and the Edward Snowden one. All the other ones, they're just bandwagon at this point. We've been here. They're just saying what we are. Oh, caw. Let's go, man. Where you guys at? Oink, oink. Come on, man. Let's get all the noises out, man. Let's have some fun today. I know it's Saturday. I don't know how many of you guys are hungover, but let's put in some work, everybody. Let's put in some work. Hit that like button. Run up the comments. Share this live stream. YouTube has been telling me that as well. You guys got to share it, share it on your TikTok, share it on your Facebook. The algorithm can sniff it out that it's being shared on many different platforms. So YouTube will say, hey, let's also share it in other places. Call MSI, man. Everybody. I got something for everybody today. So, if we see Bitcoin make, like I said, even a support above this 67 over here, to me, that's still bullish. If it pumped past, this 68 and held above here, it could most likely have another continuation. This is lower time frames. I don't really want to pay attention to these too much, but with this Bitcoin conference, it's like every day there's just like more compounding of, hey, we're not going nowhere. Hey, Bitcoin's here to stay. So it's like the conviction of Bitcoin right now is being solidified like we've never seen before during this conference right now. And you could see it in the chart because things were not looking as bullish as they were as right now. And after this conference and everybody giving kind of Bitcoin its flowers and everybody understanding what Bitcoin is doing, you're seeing price action that kind of came right after this conference, right? So we can see that on the 1 minute chart. This is where we're going to be holding on to, everybody. Anything above the 68,000 to me is going to be pretty good. 68,000 and a half right here. This is for those trading futures on a small time frame. 68,000 and a half right here. Boom. Which we can see that this is still healthy because there was some prior resistance over here, and now, we can hold on to that. So even if it came down to 68,000 and a half and turned back up, that could be really crazy for Bitcoin. I wouldn't doubt, that would be kind of monumental, right? For them to kind of say, hey, Bitcoin broke its all-time high during the conference. Sometimes if you build it, it can come, man. So I wouldn't doubt if maybe, Bitcoin Magazine could be putting buying pressure. Maybe, just people in the audience just hearing what they're hearing. And maybe they're like, okay, I just heard Vanek say that they got well over 30% of his personal portfolio, well over 30% is Bitcoin. And I mean, he didn't even bat an eye at that. So, it's pretty interesting. Or I'm meant to say I'm pretty sure it's going to be, just as it was interesting for me to hear him say that openly of, that he got over 30%, I'm sure it's going to be as interesting to people in the audience. And when they get back to their hotel rooms or when they get back to the bathroom or maybe right there when they're sitting in the audience, they just double down on Bitcoin some more. All right. So Bitcoin's looking absolutely amazing. Bitcoin's kind of stealing the light. We got, ETH trading between 3,000 and 3,500, basically, give or take, wherever you want to look at it, what DEX, but basically those psychological barriers of 3,000 and at 3,500. For those trading futures, I do want you guys to be careful. And, if you want to rally this back up, I would probably set a buy order around this 2,800 range because it wicked down here before, and I would see some kind of buy order set underneath this area would probably be the best move, because just in case they want to wick out some long positions that probably didn't grab a good position, they probably, bought when the Williams percentage was really, really high. They're going to want to wick some more people out. And if you got to set just a little bit lower, you're going to win on that trade right there. All right. Definitely tap in with me. Let's look on the 4-hour chart what it's saying. Where Williams percentage is high. I can see ETH pulling back a little bit more, especially with, at least touching this $3,000 mark a little bit. Just be careful if you're trading futures. Probably the best one to be trading right now would probably be Bitcoin. It's taking a lot of the attention from everything else right now. Okay. We do got on the 30-minute one, we got a dot on the top. So a little bit more selling pressure. I wouldn't be surprised if we, anything above the 68 and a half up here would be good, right? In this little range would be cool. All right, so let's keep it moving. Let's keep it grooving. We got XPX doing absolutely amazing. We got a buy competition on right now. We're the second highest per market cap on Smart DeFi. I mean, we're holding it down twice audited contract. We have 59.9% staked, which shows a lot of conviction in the community, shows conviction in the team. This is not just an off-ramp solution, everybody. We're not just off-ramping crypto. We're going to be on-ramping people into crypto as well, everybody. After we do our pay with, our off-ramp with the digital and Visa cards, which everybody knows that I've been testing everywhere in Las Vegas, the digital cards, connecting them to Google Pay and Apple Pay. We're going to be doing the physical cards, and then we're going to be doing merchant solution, everybody. We want to get people accepting crypto, and we want a slice of that pie, everybody, right? Imagine that forever. Imagine those little POS systems inside of a 7-Eleven, inside of when would you add Saitama Inu to your thumbnail? We're looking into that. We're going to add you guys. Actually, you know what? We're going to add you guys. I just haven't updated the thumbnail, but we'll add you guys, man. We'll see what the chart's looking like. XPX is fire. Appreciate you, man. But imagine, those little POS systems, or wherever you go out to eat or whatever, every time you swipe your card and stuff like that, that little POS system is getting a piece of that, everybody. Matt Alfred pulling up, man. Call the community, everybody. Call the community. I'm pretty sure we're close to the 100. We'll be doing everybody else's project in just a bit. We're at 88. So we're almost there, everybody. We're almost there. I love the triple digits because I want the most eyes for your guys' project. Yeah, we're at 88, one of the best numbers. The year of the dragon, baby. We're right here. But we got XPX right now. Buy competition. The trending bot is lit right now. If you're part of the community, you can do a bunch of little buys and it'll attract a lot more people to buy in. But what I was saying about the merchant solution, which is very important, is we're not just an off-ramp, everybody. We're a merchant solution as well, where we're going to provide these POS systems to people to not only just accept crypto through these POS systems, but accept any Visa and MasterCard, everybody. We're going to facilitate the whole payment infrastructure. We're not doing this as a part-time gig. We're not doing this just to do one part of it and not do the whole part of it. We're going to do the whole thing of it, okay? We're going to do the off-ramp part. We're going to do the merchant part, which I'm going to corner a part of the Las Vegas market with the merchant solution, everybody. And I'm not going to say a peep because I see how quick people are to, try to duplicate or replicate or try to, almost say the same thing. And it's just not going to work. You would have to be me. You would have to have boots on the ground, and it would have to be a personal experience, everybody. But I'm going to make sure that we corner the market, a part of this market in Las Vegas, that it is over $1 billion market that is not being cornered by anybody. And it is going to be through merchant solutions, everybody. You guys will see. It takes time to build these things out. We want to make sure that we got a solid community, that we got people that when we pump past these areas, that they're not quick to cheat on us, because we are going to build these things out, everybody. We are going to build these things out. So, to me, the chart is looking very, very healthy. Let me zoom out. If we were in this area a week ago, we'd be very, very happy, everybody, because honestly, this is right in the area of our last all-time highs, everybody. This is where our last all-time high was. We had to go through this downtrend, and we wanted to break past it so bad. We had another downtrend. So we're right in that area again, and we're finding support right here. It's very important that we keep grinding, and we're the ones, we're the ones holding these floors right here, right? We're the ones making, these higher floors, these higher lows right now. There's going to be some shakeouts. There's going to be some people that, want the overnight sensation, especially when it's coming to end of the month. People are taking money out to pay bills. People are probably putting in more than they should. But if you put in what you can into XPX and you stake it, because staking is live, everybody. We're not promising staking later on. You can stake your tokens right now. You can unstake your tokens if you want. On every single transaction, you are also getting passive income. So no matter if the chart's going up, no matter if the chart's going down, you are making passive income. I can see it on every single wallet that I've bought in. The passive income is real, everybody. Lending is live for those who want to take out a loan against your XPX token. Now, when our asset backing gets a lot higher, the loan is going to be more and more, because the loan is a 30-day interest-free loan against the asset backed value of your XPX tokens. That's why you can take out a loan against XPX, and why you can't take out a loan against other tokens, because they have to be backed by something, everybody. You can take out a loan against ETH and BNB because obviously they are really respected. But the reason you can take out a loan against XPX is because we are creating a blue chip right before your eyes. It's being backed by BNB on every single transaction. That takes time, everybody, all right? So right now we're looking over here on Dex Tools. I want to get everybody. Matt Alfred, I see you guys, man. That chart's been looking really good. People are very happy about that. I'm getting people DMing me that they're excited about Matt Alfred. I've seen some people in the comments. So, you guys are doing exactly what we're supposed to be doing. Now, over here, as far as the Dex XPX, we got to draw out for everybody, man. This is where we got to draw out some consolidation right here. Like I said, will be very healthy for us. And this is where we were at before when we pumped up to go towards our all-time high. We are not far off to that $1 million market cap. But honestly, we all got to want it as bad as everybody else. If you want to see some of the things roll out, we have to break past this together, and we have to we have to grind for this threshold together, because just like I say that when the stream gets to over 100 views, something happens to the algorithm. The same thing happens when we break $1 million market cap. Why do you think it's that roof, that ceiling is so hard? But the minute you break the $1 million market cap, what happens, everybody? What happens, everybody? You see $2 and $3 million market cap, because whales start to come in and you get more and more exposure, everybody. So we are honestly not far off from that level of exposure. That's where you're going to start to see pay roll out, where you're going to see, the off-ramp solutions that we're going to provide. And then the next chapter and iteration of XPX, which is, getting out there and providing solutions to these merchants. I've already been in talks with some, but I will really, really want to expand, and I want to corner a part of this market. It's so hard for me not to talk about it, but seeing the type of how people navigate in the space, it is a little bit player versus player. So I am absolutely going to keep my mouth shut about this, because it is $1 billion business that nobody has cornered here in Las Vegas. And I'm sure that a lot of people have not cornered it in a lot of other states. And when we're done with the off-ramp solutions, we're going to give the off-ramp solutions is to give accessibility to our investors and all that good stuff, and people inside the crypto space. I've been using it already. We've been paying for certain things already. It all works, everybody. It all works, right? But later on, we have to find a way to on-ramp liquidity into these markets, everybody. I love this market with all my heart, man. We got to go hard for this market. This is the way for us. This is our ticket out, everybody. Cryptocurrency is your ticket out. And we have to protect our market. The way that I'm going to make sure that we protect the market is through merchant solutions, through our Web3 marketplace, everybody. The Web3 marketplace is a Web3 marketplace unlike nobody else. I'm sure some people are going to probably try to do it now and stuff like that. The difference is I'm the dev of XPX and I have a voice. And you know what? We're going to keep pushing in. We're the ones who started saying this right here. We're the ones who are working towards this right here. And we're the ones who experienced this, okay? We are the ones who went through this and why this Web3 marketplace has to be made. And you know what? Instead of frequent flyer miles, which you don't get, they don't go up in value, these frequent flyer miles, your reward points don't go up in value. If anything, they expire. But you're telling me when you interact with our Web3 marketplace, you will be getting XPX back. What does that give the person? What kind of reward is that? Well, it gives them future discounts on anything else they want in the future, but it also exposes them to upside potential. When you get rewards at wherever you go, your points that you go, whatever restaurant that gives you points for coming back, those points never go up in value. If anything, they decrease in value because inflation, right? So the price of things go up, the price of flights go up. It's going to cost you just maybe twice as many miles next year if you don't use your miles because of inflation. Okay? Crow and knife supply crunch on the way. Ooh, I love a supply crunch. Yeah, man, we got a good amount of the supply burnt ourselves. We got it on fire over here. 6.7% of the supply burnt. It's on fire over here, everybody. We love you too, man. Rico, we love you. I love you guys too, man. Much love and respect to everybody. We're right here, man. We're providing solutions. We are the pickaxes, the shovels to cryptocurrency. And this is exactly what we're supposed to be doing. And I know there's going to be a lot of people trying to come along and trying to say something similar and do something similar. You would have to go through what I went through to make it what it is, everybody. We are doing something very different ourselves, and we're going to be one of the pioneers in the space of, solidifying retail investors coming in. Not only do they use our services, but they get XPX back. When they get XPX back, we win because we're early adopters of XPX. And what happens? The chart goes up because they purchase XPX off the market, but they get those XPX tokens in their wallet. They can hold those XPX tokens, receive the upside potential, use those XPX tokens for rewards or discounts or whatever, or simply just sell them on the market. You can't sell your points on the market. You can't sell your frequent flyer miles on the market. Come on, man. Unlike ever before. I think we're at the triple digit mark. Let me see. Let me see where we're at. We're at 92. 92. Maybe we need some techno. Do we need some music to get to 100? Is that what it is? What do we got to do to get to 100 today? Is everybody sleepy? That Bitcoin conference got everybody. Let's bump it up, man. Let's go. Let's see if we get to 100 like this. Let's see if we get to 100 like this. What? Oh! It's Saturday, isn't it? Isn't it Saturday, everybody? Isn't it Saturday, man? Let's go, everybody. It is all-time high coming right around the corner for Kendu, man. You got to give him credit, man. You got to give him credit, man. You got to talk Saitama. You got to bring him up, man. We're not even at 100, so I know everybody's not here, everybody. All right, so let's talk about Kendu right now, everybody. I see them pumping. I see everybody coming in strong. Kendu pulled up super strong right in the beginning. Let's talk about what they're doing right now, man. I mean, they're going right back towards this $200 million market cap. I mean, at a good time when the markets are really hot. I mean, this is kind of what you want, right? This is kind of what you want. This is the perfect time for, to be pumping your bags like crazy, everybody. This is the perfect time to pump your own bags, okay? If you're not pumping your own bags right now, I'm not sure what you're doing. But this is a great, great time to pump your own bags. Let's see what we got right here. Another reminder to head to kenduchads.com and register your interest. Let's like and retweet this, everybody. Soon there will be 3 kinds of people: those who missed out, those who got lucky, those who work for money. Ooh, okay. I'm letting you guys know right now, this is one of the most important times in your guys' life right now. Do not fumble your bags, everybody. Do not fumble your bags. There's going to be so much money coming into the space. As we see Bitcoin pump, what's going to happen when everybody takes profits of Bitcoin? It's going to spill into the alts, everybody. It's going to spill into our projects. We're not even close to seeing the pump that can happen, everybody. You are seeing this post about Kendu provides you the opportunity to pick which one you want to be. What would you like? What would you like to be called? Do you guys want to be called lucky? What do you guys want to be called? What's going on? I mean, to be honest with you, this applies to a lot of people right now. This applies to a lot of people right now. There are a lot of conviction plays out there that you want to grind for right now, and you want to keep going. Do not be chasing, especially a lot of these celebrity coins. This was one of my favorite posts from the Kendu Labs right here. Let me take a sip of the coffee, everybody. You guys want to keep trusting them? Do you guys want to keep trusting them? There's going to be more of them. You think they're done stealing? You think they're done stealing? You don't think they want another McLaren? You might as well just go buy them the McLaren. Just go buy it for them. Or go buy me one too. What are you guys going to do? Are you guys going to keep playing these games with these people? They don't care, everybody. They don't care. They will never care. They will never care, everybody. Do not buy into none of this stuff. Into none of it. None of it. It's only going to be for a little moment, and they're going to run off with your liquidity, and that's it. Boom. They're going to go buy something else. And you can tell that it's all bad because they all come in like they're saving you. Like if they're like, oh, you know what? They did something bad, and then you know what? We're about to fix it. That's like when you create the problem, you give them the solutions, and humans buy into it nonstop. So let's stop buying into that little trick. It should be old and played out already, everybody. Let's stop that already, where they create the problem, then they give us a solution, and we buy into it. That's old already, everybody. What's going to happen if you keep doing this is you're going to miss out on the biggest opportunity of your life. You're going to miss out on your .com bubble. You're going to miss out on your .com moment, I meant to say. You're going to miss out on your .com moment if you keep playing with these celebrity tokens, if you keep fading your conviction plays. I do know that we're going to get to make a video. Kendu, pay attention to the bell notification later on. I mean, you guys are about to break all-time high. It looks like you guys are about to have a continuation. This will be the best time to continue to engage. Kendu, keep going hard because, I mean, the markets are really hot right now. So why not keep pushing hard on this, everybody? I'm liking what I'm seeing. Close to, 200K market cap. I mean, $200 million market cap. I can see it happening. I can see it happening, everybody. Let's go ahead and check this out real quick. We got MSI also pumping, listed over here on Gate.io, everybody. I mean, he's going through all the motions. Everything that he says he's going to do, he's been doing, everybody. There's not many YouTubers in the space that I know that will do that. I know that I'm one of them, and I know that he's another one of them in the space. You have to give credit when credit's due, because otherwise you'll be just as fake as everybody else. And he will continue to deliver, everybody. I will continue to deliver. Whether or not, I'm telling you, it's not what you know, it is who you know. And when you know the right people in this space, you can really move. To pretend like you're a super dev or some kind of super guru and you've been doing everything alone, that's a lie, everybody. This space is based on network and connections, everybody. That's how it moves around. So Shows right there, listed on Gate.io. Monkey Inu, everybody. That is the power of the monkeys. That is the power of the Inus. And that is the power of poop, everybody. Hulk Hogan kills me. Laughing out loud. I know, man. It's crazy. It's just, yeah, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Like people chasing the celebrity tokens. Like if celebrities have ever done anything good for us, right? If you want to invest into Andrew Tate, you're insane. No, you just got to call him daddy. That's all you got to do. He said, I can't believe I used a super chat. If you invest into Andrew Tate, you are insane. Can't believe I used a super chat. It's crazy that you got to pay to tell people not to do that, right? Oh my god, my bad, bro. Oh my god, but they'll keep chasing him and they'll call him daddy for whatever reason. I mean, unbelievable. Anyways, same thing with a lot of things, like with the Bitcoin conference, everybody. Like, I'm not all like super. Am I pumped up about the Bitcoin conference? Yeah, but are they saying stuff that I'm not already knowing or already knew and stuff? Like, you know, the Michael Saylor one is powerful. The Edward Snowden one is very powerful because it tells you, hey, these people they remember that they did not like us. Remember when you cast your vote that you don't go in. I want everybody to watch the Edward Snowden one because sometimes we get a little culty, everybody, right? Sometimes we drink the Kool-Aid. I'd rather you guys drink the Kool-Aid of your favorite meme coin than drink the Kool-Aid of your political party, everybody, because, man, the last, 4 years plus have been absolutely brutal, everybody, with the amount of Kool-Aid that has been drunk and the amount of hate that has been pushed back and forth and the amount of, stress and inflations and all this stuff. Oh my God. And a lot of it had to do because of cult following activities. I'm telling you, you're better off drinking the Kool-Aid of your meme coin than drinking the Kool-Aid of even, well, I don't care what political party it is. I don't care if it's the left or the right. I don't care which one it is. I wouldn't drink the Kool-Aid of that all the way. I would maybe, like what Edward Snowden said, cast your vote, but don't give yourself to them. Don't give yourself to them. Remember that none of them, either side, were not so much on the Bitcoin side not too long ago. Even though I'm rocking with Trump and I see that he's kind of better for the economy. It's just the numbers are there as far as like looking at things economically. People might not like his personality, but as far as like economically, I mean, you would have to. It's right there. I mean, it's written everywhere, especially if you live in somewhere like Las Vegas. This is a tourist town, so you can see the prices of inflations. I mean, like nothing. I mean, it's not hard to see it. But even Donald Trump, I'm going to play devil's advocate, everybody. Even Donald Trump a long time ago did not support Bitcoin, everybody. And I want to hold everybody accountable. I don't want to just say, those people say orange man, bad man, they hate Trump and I'm on Trump's side. And now I pretend like I forget about all the things that Trump has said. That's not who I am, everybody. And I don't think this channel is that anyways. I don't think the type of people that are rocking with me on this channel are like that. I want to remind myself that also Donald Trump was not pro Bitcoin and now he is, right? So I just want to highlight that. And I want to remind everybody that whatever party you like, whether it's the left or the right, they were against us at one point. And now that they got all their boys and all their, their chads and all their friends positioned correctly, now they want to come in. So just be very cautious on, when we drink this Kool-Aid from these parties, right? Remember that, I mean, there's video proof of him saying that Bitcoin was not good, right? And I know Trump is good for the economy. I mean, there's no question about that. I mean, the last 4 years have been brutal economically. I mean, completely. You can see it here in Las Vegas. I mean, a Butterfinger costs us $8 and stuff like that. So that's a big difference, everybody. But we can't lie and say that in the past he was against Bitcoin. He wasn't always pro Bitcoin. He wasn't always pro crypto. So we have to be careful when people are trying to tell us stuff that we like because they want to get our vote, right? That's all I'm saying, everybody. I don't want people to get all, how they say on the West Coast, butthurt or anything with me, but I'm just being transparent and I'm playing devil's advocate on both sides, everybody. Like he was not pro Bitcoin. Now they're pro Bitcoin. And you're going to see a lot of this in the space, everybody. I don't want everybody getting all, now you guys don't want to hear it, but hey, we got to talk about some of this stuff, everybody. We have to. Monkey Inu, everybody. It's pumping. It's looking good. I mean, this has the power of meme. This is a powerful meme. This is a better Kool-Aid to drink from than any political party, any your Crow with Knife, your XPX, your any project that you're super bullish on, your Kendu. Take a sip of your martini. That's a better stuff to take a sip of than these political parties that now they want to come and pretend like they're coming down on the cloud and they're saving all the crypto. Crypto was going to do what crypto was going to do no matter what. Sip that coffee. Thank you. Thank you. I need it too. But, you know, crypto's going to do what crypto's going to do, man. It was doing it before anybody else. It was doing it before Trump went pro Bitcoin, right? It was doing it before these conferences. It was already going to do what it was going to do, everybody. So just remember that we're going to keep going through the motions, everybody. I do think that we're going to be breaking all-time high with MSI. So if you felt like you missed it, anybody in the Moneybags Mansion, that link is down below. It is free and always will be free. Anybody in the Moneybags Mansion, you are up on this one right now, okay? Just want to state that, everybody. No matter what's going on in the space, no matter what the project is, I'm always looking for plays for you guys to win, okay? Let me go ahead and bring up Crow with Knife, everybody, because we got a space later on. They have a space, you know, community space. I definitely will be there. Last time I caught the last one a little bit later, but it was still very good, and it always continues into the Discord. And maybe after this space, we can put a little bit more pressure on Iran and even get them to come up to this platform as well. This platform gets a lot more views, and we'll keep pushing this. But man, Crow with Knife is another conviction play. This is the Kool-Aid I want to drink from. This is my coffee. I see that. Celebrity Coins, the new Dancing with the Stars. Yep. Man, I can't do it. I didn't even go into any of them just because I already knew that I just know. I could just see it. They've never done like non-selfish stuff, right? It's like, do I expect people who I see, you know, spending money on themselves nonstop, not doing anything for anybody else, they're going to come into a crypto space and start to care? Like, honestly, come on, everybody. We can't be that lonely. And if you are, subscribe to the channel, everybody, because then we don't have to wait on some celebrity making us feel a little bit better, like if they came into the space to care about us. They never cared about anybody. What are they going to? They're going to come into a space and start caring about our avatars? They don't even know us. They don't even know us. This is our conviction play. We're not going nowhere with Crow with Knife, everybody. I need you guys to understand that we're not going nowhere with Crow with Knife. Caw, everybody. 111 live on the live stream, man. Very important that we keep grinding, everybody. Okay, we got some Crow with Knife right here. The reminder's already set. Let me grab this. You guys know that I'm rocking with you guys. Let me repost this. Let me grab this link right here. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys want to hear more about Crow with Knife, that's why it's important that you guys pull up every single day. You guys know I'm out here working for your guys' bag. Like this. We got Base, Solana, BSE, and Crow Fam. Loving this. Saitama pumping, y'all. Yeah, we're not done. We're gonna have an extended version, bro. Don't worry, Galaxy Nick. We're gonna get everybody in. Well, the extended shows have been doing pretty good. We've been going for what? Hour 20, hour 30 minutes. So Crow with Knife. This is what I want to know about. This is what this is what I gotta get let in about. I mean, a repost 22 hours ago. Where's my secret cryptic DM message that I get to say, Rico? Rico. But this is it right here, man. There's something happening right here. Everybody. We have to partner reveal. Okay, we are thrilled to welcome Crow with Knife as our newest partner, inspired by the infamous Crow that swiped a knife from a crime scene in 2017. So this is partnering up right here, everybody, right before your eyes, everybody. So we're going to free Miguel, everybody. We're going to free Miguel. If you want to help me free Miguel, like, comment, and subscribe on this video, man. We're going to keep grinding together, everybody. We're at 112 people now. It's climbing. It's climbing. It's climbing. Okay, so we have this space later on, 6 p.m. Pacific time. So that's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go ahead and continue over here at Crow with Knife, looking absolutely amazing. Everybody, all you got to do is hold for gold, everybody. Let's get back over here. We're going to clear this chart up so everybody's not scared. I know some people say, oh, my eyes. But really, hey, this is where we're at. I'm just keeping data, okay? This is just me keeping a data of what's going on. We're going to keep consolidating right here. This is, you know, we had our pump. And you have to have that retracement. That's that 60 to 80% retracement. It's right here. This is where we want to grind. This is gate.io listing. And Buy the rumor, sell the news. There's going to be more of the buy the rumor going on, everybody. There's going to be more. And anybody who accumulated all through here, they're the ones who got a piece of this action. You're going to see the same thing happen again. Whoever gets to accumulate through here, you're going to get the next piece of that action, everybody. Do not fade this one. Tap in with us also later on today. It's very important on this space, 6 p.m. Pacific time. You guys are absolutely going to love it. You guys do not want to miss out for that. Let's go ahead and bring up Saitama, man. This community has been bringing up. I see Faux coming up as well. Saitama. We're going to bring everybody up, man. We've seen you guys come up nonstop. Matt, Alfred, we're going to bring you up as well. We're working everywhere. Man, I'm working with you guys, man. I'm not going to stop grinding with Crow with Knife, man. We're going to grind this thing nonstop. Make sure you guys tap in with me as well and XPX, man. You know, we gotta grind together to shine together. If we all win, it'll be a lot better. Excuse me. Cue me. Okay, full far on base. I see you guys. Oink, oink. Okay, we got the wolf pack right here, man. Howling. Ow! Where's the howls at? Let me see the chat go crazy with the howls, man. Come on, man. We're going towards all-time high. We're not howling. Let's get the howling, everybody. What do we got right here? We had a little space, man. Okay, we'll like and retweet this. Let everybody know Saitama's making the redemption and coming back, everybody. Very exciting to see this happen. A lot of OGs. I mean, creeping already towards that. Look, you see why I tell you guys why we got to break the 100, the triple digit. Now we're at 117 already. You see that? It's important that we do this, everybody. All right, so let's make it happen. Let's get these numbers all the way up. Oh, oh man, Saturday, man. Let's have some fun, everybody. This is looking good. This is looking good. Can we get a support above this? What is that? That's going to be the $2 million market cap. So anything above that $2 million market cap, a support up there, and the party's going to start, everybody. We're going to get the what? You're like, Rico, it's Saturday. You got techno playing? Yes, the coffee's activated in me, everybody. I can't help it. I'm already a hyper person. You add coffee to that, man, I'm moving and grooving. Anything above the $2 million market cap, this is in the short term. I know everybody wants me to say, I'm questioning it, Rico. What are you questioning? What are you questioning? What are you questioning? Let me know. This right here is important, though. I know everybody wants me to say we're going to $1 billion. It all can happen, everybody. It could definitely happen. Crow with Knife is financial freedom. Absolutely. You just got to keep holding, man. We just got to keep holding together, keep grinding together. I'm looking forward to the space later on, and that we start to have every single week, you know, because, you know, a lot of times, and this applies to everybody. A lot of times this applies to every project. Like, people expect that FUD, or they think that FUD has to come from somebody else telling somebody in their ear that something's not working good. No, that's not the case, everybody. A lot of times, FUD comes from it being quiet for too long. That's where it comes from, everybody. Because they start to get scared a little bit. They start to get a little bit of uncertainty, and then they start to have doubt, everybody. So having an active community, having an active dev team, having a you know, something for the community to talk about every single day. You guys know XPX, we pull up every single day for XPX nonstop, and we will continue, right? We're going to send this all the way together. But it's very important that we're doing these things, you know, as many times as we can. Like, that's why, you know, Crow with Knife has a very active Discord, and they're in there every single day. I mean, you guys can catch them in the Discord. But I'm liking that we're getting this action also on X, right? Because some people don't have a Discord. So we have to make a good solid foundation. I see you guys going crazy. Make a good solid foundation on every platform, whether it's on the X, whether it's on the Discord, whether it's on the TG, but a solid base of community members that, you know, are going to pull up every single day to some extent for their bags, everybody. This is the best time to do it, honestly. You don't want to wait till the bull runs over. You don't want to wait till the bear market's right in front of you. You want to do everything you can in your power right now. It's going to take some sacrifice. It's going to take some, you know, not getting as much sleep as everybody else, maybe skipping a meal, maybe not doing this, maybe not going out with everybody. Maybe you don't make it to a couple parties. Maybe you get invited to a couple parties, you know, on Friday, Saturday, like Rico Moneybags does, and I just keep turning them down every weekend. And that's okay, because the party that I throw after the bull run, it will be way bigger than all the parties combined during all these little tiny increments that is happening. I don't really care for trying to do all this small incremental stuff, like these small little increments. I'd rather just do one big party and let everybody know that we got it, that we made it, okay? Because if we keep doing it in these little small spurts, we're going to keep wasting time along the way. I want to give it my all right now. And I want to say in my story and in your guys' story that we gave it our all for this bull run, everybody. We're not promised tomorrow. That's just the truth. And I want to make sure that I'm putting it on every single day as hard as I can, for I know what's coming, okay? And that is a triple-digit Bitcoin, everybody. You will see a triple-digit Bitcoin. How high? We don't know, but we will see a triple-digit Bitcoin, everybody. So right now in the short term for Saitama, anything above the $2 million market cap making a support will put us in the running for the chase of the $5 million. And then once we flip that $5 million, you guys know that comes to double digits. We'll start talking about, the $10 million market cap, $11 million market cap, breaking to the $15 million market cap, and it'll keep going on forward like that, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so forth, everybody, all right? So let's go ahead and bring up Caw. I'm here for everybody, man. Music to my ears. I love it. Caw. So much fun. We got to have fun together. We have to. This is the best time. During the bear market, I probably would have not did it as much. I was bummed out, everybody. I couldn't believe it was over. Crow with knife is the way for financial freedom. With a strong organic community is inevitable for a big breakout. Caw, keep up the hard work, Rico, for all the projects that you support. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate the super chats. You guys are absolutely amazing. We're growing this channel together. I know that we have our own projects that we love, and we have our near and dear communities to our heart. But to be honest with you guys, it's very important that we understand that by growing this channel together, we also grow all of the exposure to all our bags. So, I know that we have our rivalries. I know that we kick up dust in the chat. And that's okay, chat. I think that we're all adults and we should be able to handle it, let the dust settle, and just keep pushing from there forward, right? And that's what we're doing over here, everybody. So Saitama's looking really good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I mean, the community has been starting to pull up every single day. That's exactly what you want to see. Community that's engaged on a daily basis, everybody. It's very exciting to see that. Very proud of that. Keep applying the pressure. If you guys build it, it will come, everybody. They don't give me that alpha. Well, we got to put pressure. That's how we're doing, Moon. We're putting pressure out there. I know somebody's listening. Moon. So that's what we're doing. We're putting some pressure till we find out what that alpha is. Okay. Let's bring up Faux, man. Faux has been pulling up nonstop. Let's see where you guys are at, man. It's good that you guys are grinding for your guys' bag. I know you guys are experiencing a little bit of a pullback. Pullbacks are going to happen, man. They're going to happen. You're going to find your real community members there. Definitely, this is the time that you get tested the most. We had that little pump again. And people, kind of didn't hold on to these supports. We might see a little bit lower. So just keep that in mind. Anything above this 300K market cap to hold would be ideal. Otherwise, we might go a little bit lower than what we want to see, everybody. So let's hold that. Above that 300K market cap, no matter what. Okay, everybody. Let's go to the X account, see what you guys got. We got Mad Alfred going crazy in the chat. I see the chat going absolutely. Just everybody participating. This is good nonstop. Every single day, something needs to be posted. I see you guys, man. Absolutely. Chat is going crazy, man. Chat is absolutely going crazy. You see where we're at now? 132 people live. That's what we're doing every day. We grind right here till we get the real numbers, everybody. We don't want to fluff the numbers up. I want to know where we're at for real. We got more numbers than K9 Finance, everybody. And we don't have to fluff them up. It's just grind, everybody. People want the lazy route. The lazy route is buying some stuff. I don't want to do that. I don't want to take the lazy route. Being slothy can be bad, with your numbers and I know some people fake it till you make it. Well, I don't want to do that because you know what? You're not promised tomorrow. I don't want to be faking it today. We're just going to grind all the way. That's what we're going to do. We're going to grind all the way, everybody. So we got Faux doing good. I like what I'm seeing. Email sent. All right, Big J, I got you, brother. So yeah, Faux is looking good. We just got to grind up from here, everybody. Let's just grind up from here, everybody. Let's see where XPX is at, man. Let's see where we got a buy comp right now. I know that we got some people maybe taking the weekend off, but the market's got hot. So, we'll see if somebody or, some of us maybe start to apply some buying pressure later on after the stream. Make sure that we can pump these bags up. We got a buy comp. You can win one BNB. So there's one BNB on the table. That's about $600 sitting on the table right now if you win. And I think BNB is going to be worth over $1,000 during this bull run. So you got some serious money sitting on the table if you really look at it, everybody. So make sure you guys tap in with us on XPX for sure. Make sure you guys also give us a follow. I want to go over this. We're going to look at Mad Alfred next. I see you guys pulling up crazy. We're going to check you guys out. Come over here, give us a follow at XPX Token. Let me post this link right here. If you guys are rocking with me, if you guys want to see more action on your bag, you guys definitely want to give this one a follow, man. I'm watching everybody. I'm seeing who's really rocking with me, who's not rocking with me, okay? It's real easy to see. Oh, there we go. The announcement is out, everybody. So this right here is huge, everybody. If you are listening right now, XPX, if you're an XPX holder, if you're listening right now, or a future XPX holder, this is why the buy comp is going on right now. We're seeing the money kind of come into the market. I'm giving some alpha away, everybody, right? We're seeing the money step back into the market. Bitcoin's at 69,000. The overall market's turning green. This is where, if you have BNB on the side, where you start to apply the pressure. Now, obviously not financial advice. We got to get that out the way, but we have a pretty big AMA coming up, everybody. Mad Apes is a pretty big AMA. Let's like and retweet this. Let's go crazy on this. This post right here is going to garnish us a lot of exposure. Where do you want them to buy in, everybody? Where do you want the Mad Apes community to purchase XPX? Do you want them to get in right now? Or do you want to set the floor higher so maybe we can break all-time high and set the floor a little bit higher? So when that AMA happens, we're talking to them over here, right? That's how you guys got to understand this market works sometimes, okay? So right here, go ahead and give them a follow. I'm going to post this link. Oh, it's right there. I posted it. So very important. At Marlon, absolutely amazing. The graphic looks amazing. I mean, this looks super cool. I want you guys to come over here and engage. I want to give you guys some of this as well. Let me like and retweet this. So we got asset backing live, smart loans live, staking live, Visa cards coming very, very soon. Web3 marketplace where it's going to bring value into this volume into this market, right? Into our chart. Very important. We got NFTs that are going to be the tickets and some exclusive things to our expo. So our NFTs are actually going to be a use case tied to our expo instead of just NFTs, right? We got low MC, 1,300 holders, current 60% staked, 1,100 in the TG. To have 1,300 holders and 1,100 in the TG, those are some solid numbers, everybody. Those are some actually solid numbers. We grind all day. Oink, oink. I see Duco pulling up, man. About time Duco pulled up, man. V777. Let's go. 7.7, mi gente. That's how the Spanish channel sound when they do it. We got 138 people live with us right now. Let's refresh. Let's see if those are accurate numbers. Let's see where we're at. 138 people live with us. We're not done. We got Mad Alfred next. You guys have been going crazy. 138 people. Let's bring you guys up. But yeah, we got some opportunity, XPX. Even if you're sitting on the sideline, knowing that we got an AMA coming up, a little buy comp. Even if you didn't like XPX, there's money sitting on the table because we're going to pump. And obviously, you can make some money in the short term right there if you wanted to. Not financial advice. Do your own research. We're sitting at a 700K market cap, looking very, very strong. I'm sure after this live stream, you guys will see some pressure happening. That's 100%. Start to pump your bags. You guys got to pump your own bags. That's how it works, everybody. That is how it works. So 700K market cap, looking really, really good. Let's look at Mad Alfred, everybody. Mad Alfred. Oops. Mad Alfred, everybody. Look at Mad. I see you, Mad. What am I messing up on right here? What am I messing on right here? Mad Alfred, everybody. How did I find it last time? Okay. Let's look it up like this. Hold on a second. Let's go. I see you guys. Why is it not popping up? I think you guys gave me a follow anyways. I get it on X. Sometimes it happens, right? The brain just doesn't want to work. It's like I found it before. What's going on? It's all good. We'll get to it one way or another. See? There's one way or another. No matter what, we'll get to it. All right, let's copy this. Let's bring it over here. Let's bring you guys up. Appreciate the super chats, everybody. Let's bring you guys up. This community's been going crazy. I got some DMs today. People, I saw some comments. People are excited. So, hey, this is, to me, this is exactly what you want, right? This is what I would want. People in the Moneybags Mansion, hitting me up, letting me know that they like to play. Everything's going solid. We probably should update everything over here on Dex Tools as well, just to have it nice and fresh. But I mean, it's grinding nonstop. You guys have one of the best looking charts. I love it, man. 612K market cap. I mean, it's grinding pretty good. It's grinding pretty good, man. It's grinding pretty good. You can't get mad at that. You honestly you really gotta rock with that. We'll bring it up on Dex Screener just so everything looks appropriate for you guys. And I wanna do it right. Do it justice basically, so it doesn't look all wild. Let me bring it up over here. Dex Screener right here. Bring this over here. Oh yeah, got to do the incognito. For whatever reason, I can't go on Dex no more. So I don't know if they're banning Dex Screener in the US now or what's going on, but it stopped working. I cannot pass the captcha thing. All right. Because right here we got everything updated on Dex Screener. So make sure you guys come over here. I'm going to post their link. They're doing really well, everybody. They got an active community. This is what you want to look for, is a very active community. They're doing really well as far as market cap back to back, holding very strong. Team or community has not dumped on anybody because this chart is going up. Liquidity is burnt and locked. That's why I think you guys should also update that stuff on Dex Tools, because it doesn't say let's go, we will get Dex Tools up. All right, yeah, get the Dex Tools updated, because you see it doesn't show that on Dex Tools with the total supply locked and burned. You're going to see more price action once you update Dex Tools, because it's going to have all this information updated over there. Watch, I guarantee you guys will see some action. So get that all updated. It's a small fee. Make sure you got all your ducks lined up so you don't have to do it twice, and it'll work out. It'll work out good. You guys are looking good. I suggest you guys just keep grinding the way you guys are doing. I mean, it's absolutely amazing what's been going on. This chart is, I mean, make anybody FOMO in. Make anybody FOMO in. I mean, what, you put one Solana in here and you let it ride and see what happens? I mean, that could be very powerful right there. You got a very active community, liquidity burnt, pulling up every single day. A chart that you usually don't see on Solana plays. How often do you see a Solana play with a chart like this? They always get to justify why they wrecked the chart on you, right? So it's real rare that you get to see a chart like this on Solana. So a big shout out to Matt, Alfred. I mean, they're looking absolutely amazing. The way they're doing things in the space, I like what I'm seeing. Come over here, give them a follow at Mad Mag Crypto. You guys do not want to miss out on the original meme, everybody. So what we got right here? Okay, maybe we'll do a video. You guys should tap in with me so we can do a right here. Okay, Matt Alfred E. Newman meets with Swiss banks to discuss how he will reach the $1 million market cap. Right, that $1 million market cap. Right, look at the daily chart, man. Tell me about it. I love me a good daily chart like that. That's absolutely amazing, man. That's absolutely amazing. Check this out, Matt Alfred. Look at this on Solana. This is cool. I know I've seen these magazines and stuff. That's what's crazy. It's like it is recognizable. It's like I never read one, but I seen them, and it hit with me automatically when I seen them in a space. I was like, oh yeah, I've seen that little boy before and stuff. So we're at 141 people live with us right now. Absolutely amazing, everybody. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So let's see what else we got. We got everybody about pulled up. We hit the hour mark. We got Saitama cover, Faux cover. I mean, did we cover Saitama? Yeah, we covered Saitama. Everybody's looking good. I mean, what else do we want, man? All the projects are looking pretty strong from all the posts that we have been going through. Crow with Knife has the space later on. Saitama's looking healthy. What's the ticker for Mad? Alfred? Mad is the ticker. Mad. Yep. This one's looking pretty strong. Healthy chart, and it's rare that you get to see a chart like this on Solana. So obviously they don't want to fade and they want to take this really far. Definitely pretty powerful right there. I like what I'm seeing. I love what I'm seeing, actually. It's a great looking chart. We got a great looking chart too. I mean, this honestly a great looking chart. This is a great looking chart right here. I want you guys to tap in with us. I'm going to post this link for Smart DeFi right here for you guys. This was because if you buy off of Smart DeFi, you can stake right away. So definitely just come tap in with us if you guys do. Yeah, I mean, great looking charts go a long way. They go a long way because it's easy for people to snatch it up. The pink square. We got MSI up in here. Everybody's up in here, man. Absolutely amazing. These numbers are just growing and growing and growing, man. This is absolutely amazing, everybody. We're doing good, everybody. All we got to do is kind of just stay 10 toes down, let Bitcoin do his run up, and just look like Jessica Rabbit. Just look all cute and stuff like that and sexy, ready for the markets to kind of take some profits off of Bitcoin and let the money come into the altcoins. You guys will see that happen. So right now, let's keep building communities. Let's keep going strong. Let's keep our eye on Bitcoin, see what's going on. And I mean, what better time to be paying attention to cryptocurrency than right now? The signal is strong buy, everybody. That's the signal. Strong buy, everybody. Obviously, I want you guys to be careful. None of this is financial advice. Up, down, or sideways. Look at the asset backing. Absolutely. Yeah, the asset backing is going up no matter what. The baseline value of XPX. This is what it looks like when you're making a blue chip right before your eyes. And it's very exciting, to be honest with you, to be a part of like the payment infrastructure. And we're not just doing one part of the payment infrastructure. We're not just trying to catch a little bit of hype off just one part of it. Like, we are really going to be a cornerstone of the whole payment infrastructure and really a way of people bridging retail into this DeFi space, everybody. This is a vision that we have. This is what we're going to do. We're going to start off with our off-ramp Visa cards. You guys know that I've been testing the digital Visa cards, connecting them to Google Pay and Apple Pay for the last couple months. Been testing some other things out for us, and we are right around the corner to rolling these things out, man. Wanted to make sure everything worked properly for you guys, and they have been working. I mean, it's absolutely exciting. But one of the things that I'm mostly excited for is the future of XPX, and that is the merchant solutions and the Web3 marketplace, everybody. Not many people find a way to get liquidity to come back into their projects. They'll find tons of ways to get liquidity to exit and off-ramp this and off-ramp that, and you can do this, and you can sell your tokens on this exchange. You can move them to that exchange, but all of that is removing, and XPX is designed in a way to add, and we do that with a Web3 marketplace. We do that by providing merchant solutions to accept not only crypto, but any Visa card or MasterCard, but also that POS system will accept, cryptocurrency as well. And this is where we start to corner a part of the market that's worth over is worth billions of dollars, especially the one that I'm going to corner here in Las Vegas. It is pretty big, everybody, and nobody has cornered it. And one of the ways that we're going to corner it is with XPX and the merchant solutions. I mean, that's going to be very exciting. And then moving forward, the Web3 marketplace is just the next level for retail investors, right? We want to be in every part of this stuff, not just the normies being able to purchase stuff, but the people that are selling stuff to also accept stuff from the normies purchasing, right? So we want to be in every part of this, and we are going to be in every part of the payment infrastructure, 100%, everybody. And just imagine getting a piece of every transaction that happens at your local store. Just imagine XPX will grow and grow and grow and grow, and our liquidity will grow, and we will do buybacks. And we don't have to promise buybacks, but our Web3 marketplace will do the buybacks automatically. So, to me, I think that's amazing, rewarding people in XPX tokens through a Web3 marketplace, because it buys XPX, it pumps XPX, it gives people the opportunity to get discounts using XPX. I mean, this is use case right here. This is what you're supposed to be doing. This is, I believe, how we foster crypto adoption, not just making it easy for us degens and crypto enthusiasts to off-ramp, but also making it some tangible use case utility for retail investors to step into cryptocurrency, everybody. I mean, I think this was a really great space. I think we knocked it out the park. We broke into the triple digits once again. We're looking really good as far as XPX. If you guys were wondering, just to mention again, we're close to 60% staked. I mean, that's very impressive. Almost always on the top 5 as far as SD tokens. Second highest per market cap. And we're going to keep climbing, everybody. We're going to keep climbing. We're looking to break that $1 million market cap. Once we break that $1 million market cap, you guys will see that 2 and 3 will come a lot faster, everybody. If you guys want to be a part of that movement, instead of just watching it happen right before your eyes, make sure you guys come over here, give me a follow at Rico Moneybags. Make sure you guys also tap this link right here. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You guys do not miss out. We got 150 people live with us. I think it's absolutely amazing for the weekend, and absolutely, with the Bitcoin conference going on, even more amazing, right? So we're still getting all our real ones to pull up. Everybody's still trying to work for their bags, pulling up nonstop. It's very important that we do that. Man, I think this was a great space. Seeing Bitcoin pump, I don't think there's too much we can ask, but let's just rinse and repeat what we've been doing, everybody. Let's just rinse and repeat what we've been doing and keep doing what we've been doing. So like, comment, and subscribe. Much love and respect. Continue to come back.